Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this tutorial let me show you how you can close media player on your Android phone. As you can see, I'm on my home screen, but at the top I get to notice that my media player is active, right? So it's part of the notifications panel, and you can see that I cannot really swipe it away. So in order to fix it, there are more things you can actually do. At first, I'd recommend you to actually pause it at first, because as you could see, the music or whatever it was actually playing before. And now that it's paused, it is possible that it will be possible to swipe it away, right? So that's how we can close it. A lot of people don't realize that you have to actually stop the playback at first and then close it away. But if it still persists, like let me just make it appear once again. You can see that if it's still there, another possible way to do it, if you cannot just swipe it away simply, would be by clicking on the actual app like this, finding out which app it's coming from. In my case, it is the VLC player. Then go to the multitasking panel like that and close the whole app. So I'm going to swipe up on the whole application, and now it is possible that as well I'll have the ability to close it now. So as you can see, in my case, the thing I just need to do is just pause it and swipe it away. But as I showed you, you could also be in a situation where you need to close the app entirely. But that should get the job done. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.